Let me show you how to hard reset your iPhone Air. So essentially remove everything from your phone, including all your data, eSIMs, any settings, payment options and stuff like that. So essentially return to the brand new condition. So first let's go in the settings, general settings here, and all the way down till you see transfer or reset iPhone. So if you click the first reset option, that only allows to remove and reset some individual settings. But again, if you want to do a full reset, so click over here and you see it will delete all your data, pictures, videos you have stored, also any documents, and also to remove your Apple account, Apple ID, so any activation locks as well, and also the eSIM, so again your mobile service as well. So let's click continue over here and finally select either of the options. So again, if you simply want to restore this phone to new conditions, so you can use it again if something is wrong with it, select this one. But again, if you are selling this phone or returning or giving someone else, select the delete eSIM option as well. And once you click, it will start the basically cleaning and resetting process. Good luck.